Welcome to the Real Truth About Health Free 17-day live online conference, a groundbreaking event that's set to reshape the way we think about our health and wellness. From April 5th to 21st, 2024, we're bringing an unprecedented online gathering right to your screen. And guess what? It's completely free to attend live. This isn't just another health conference. Over 17 days, we're offering a packed schedule with 85 lectures during the days and 32 panel discussions in the evenings. But it's not just the quantity that's impressive, it's the quality of our speakers. We're talking about the foremost authorities in health, nutrition, the food system, the medical system, and the environment. These are passionate professionals who have dedicated their careers to understanding and improving public health. They include medical doctors, naturopathic doctors, nutritionists, dietitians, researchers, scientists, authors, professors, and more. Each one brings a wealth of knowledge and experience to the table, ready to share with you. The focus of many healthcare conversations today is on treatment rather than prevention. There's a simple reason for this: money. The healthcare industry profits more from treating diseases than from preventing them. But at our conference, we challenge this paradigm. We believe that prevention not only has the power to save lives, but also to improve the quality of life. Our speakers will present evidence-based strategies for maintaining health and preventing disease, emphasizing diet, lifestyle, and environmental factors that contribute to well-being. Learning to prevent health issues while you still can is perhaps the wisest decision you can make. Learning to protect vital organs like your heart, lungs, kidneys, pancreas, adrenals, bones, thyroid, and the rest of your body is the smartest move towards a healthier future. Our conference is designed to empower you with this knowledge, offering insights on how to shield these critical systems from disease and maintain optimal function throughout your life. The topics covered will span a wide range, addressing not only physical health but also the mental and emotional aspects of wellness. Our experts will delve into the latest research and provide actionable advice on how to navigate the often confusing world of health and nutrition. They'll expose myths, challenge the status quo, and offer a new perspective on what it means to live healthily. Moreover, our conference is designed to be as accessible as possible. Unlike attending in-person events that require time, travel, and expense, you can join us from the comfort of your home. Whether you're a health enthusiast, a professional in the field, or someone just starting to explore how to live a healthier life, there's something here for you. And with live Q&A sessions after each lecture, you'll have the opportunity to engage directly with the speakers, asking questions and gaining deeper insights. The Real Truth About Health Conference is more than an event. It's a movement towards a healthier, more informed society. It's about empowering you with knowledge to make better choices for your health and the health of your loved ones. It's about understanding the vast potential of prevention and the significant impact lifestyle choices can have on our lifespan and health span. We invite you to join us for this transformative experience. It's an investment in your health that promises returns in the form of knowledge, empowerment, and inspiration. Let's embark on this journey together, exploring the real truth about health and how we can all lead longer, happier lives.